In today's video, I am going to teach you Shopify versus Squarespace. To make this comparison easy to understand, we will start with what each platform is truly designed for, and then we will connect that to the kind of website you should build. First, let us look at Shopify. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce powerhouse. That means it is built specifically for selling products online, managing orders, collecting payments, and handling the many day-to-day tasks that come with running a real store. If you plan to scale your business, Shopify is often the better fit because it is created for larger catalogs and growing sales volume. In other words, it is not just a website builder that happens to sell things. It is a complete e-commerce system. When you use Shopify, you are tapping into tools that focus on storefront performance and sales operations. You can build product pages, organize inventory, and set up a checkout experience that is designed for conversions. Shopify also tends to offer a wide ecosystem of features and integrations, which can help as your store expands. So if your goal is to move beyond a small online shop and eventually manage a bigger business, Shopify is built with that direction in mind. Now that you understand Shopify as a store-focused platform, let us shift to the other side of the comparison, Squarespace. Squarespace is a design-focused website builder. Instead of being centered on selling products at scale, Squarespace is tailored for content websites, portfolios, and boutique storefronts. This means it often works best when your primary goal is to present information beautifully and clearly, while still having a simple way to showcase offerings. Squarespace is especially well known for helping people create attractive, polished pages without needing advanced technical skills. You can build sections for pages, write and publish content, and design a site that looks cohesive. Many people choose Squarespace when they want their brand to be front and center, with layouts and styling that support visual storytelling. If you are building a personal portfolio or a business website that includes some product or service options, Squarespace can be a strong match. At this point, it helps to clearly separate your needs. Shopify is built for the entire e-commerce workflow, with a strong focus on selling, ordering, and scaling online stores. Squarespace, on the other hand, is built for design and content, with flexibility for boutique-level selling and showcasing. The difference is not just what the websites look like, it is what the platform is optimized to do day after day. So when you are deciding between them, consider what you are planning to build. If you are aiming for a dedicated online store that will grow over time, Shopify's e-commerce focus is a major advantage. It supports the tasks that come with scaling large sales and managing product catalogs. If you are aiming for a website that highlights content, creativity, and a strong visual brand, Squarespace's design approach will feel more natural. It is well suited for portfolios, content-driven sites, and smaller storefronts that do not require the same level of e-commerce scaling. To wrap it up, Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce powerhouse built for scaling large online stores, while Squarespace is a design-focused website builder tailored for content, portfolios, and boutique storefronts. That covers everything you need to know.